The following segment is sponsored by Kate Somerville, BYBI, Bath & Body Works, Shaklee, and Febreze. As the weather heats up, many of us want to simplify our routines. Beauty and wellness expert Grace Gold has the latest summer tips to do just that.
Hi, friends. Well, let's start with sunscreen because I know so many people want to find a mineral sunscreen to switch to this summer, and this is a great option. It's by renowned celebrity esthetician Kate Somerville. Now, Kate's skincare products are trusted by some of the world's most photographed faces, and this is her brand new launch. It's the Daily Deflector Mineral Sunscreen. It's protection your skin needs this summer with SPF 40 broad spectrum protection against harmful UV rays. Now, sun damage, of course, is the #1 cause of premature aging and wrinkles, so it is so important that you wear your sunscreen every day. This has good for skin ingredients like ceramides and vitamin E to keep your skin healthy year-round. I also love how nice and clear it applies on the skin. You can get this at Sephora as well as katesomerville.com. Now, if you want brighter looking skin, smoother textures, so you can wear less makeup as it gets hotter this summer, this is a great option. It's BYBI Gold AHA Face Mask. Now, it is a vibrant exfoliating mask. Check out that color in the jar. It's packed with natural AHAs like lactic and glycolic to get rid of those dead, dull skin cells. It's got upcycled pumpkin enzyme from the pumpkin seed industry. What all that does helps enhance cell renewal. It replenishes skin firmness and texture and bounce. If you're not familiar with this line, it is a certified vegan, plant-powered natural skincare line available now for just $22 at Target stores as well as Target.com. Now, I know a lot of us are on the go this summer. We're still trying to stay healthy. Well, Shaklee is really trying to make that easy for us. This is their Life Shake, and it is the perfect way to satisfy your hunger and make sure you're getting all the nutrition you need while on the go this summertime. 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, 24 essential vitamins. This really helps support your heart, brain, vision, immune, bone, and overall health. I love that they give you a choice of either soy or pea protein and delicious flavors. I love these. These are summer peach and strawberry on the table. I also really love the French vanilla and cafe latte. And best of all, it is all non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and tastes amazing. You can get it starting at $48 at Shaklee.com. Now, moving on to our bodies. This is such a summer must-have. It is Bath & Body Works Moisturizing Body Wash. And I love how it really does triple duty as a creamy cleanser, moisturizer, and shaving cream. So you can get those soft, smooth legs for the summertime. It's got skin-loving ingredients like shea and cocoa butter, coconut oil, and it is clinically tested to moisturize after just one shower. Now, they make lots of great scents in the moisturizing body wash, but if you want to try something brand new for summer, this just launched. It's Midsummer Dream. It smells amazing. It's salted pear, fresh nectarine, seaside lily, and it really is that perfect summer scent. You know, it's so great to try a new scent in the shower with body wash because it is a lighter way to enjoy fragrance during the summertime. It will make your skin feel like a dream and smell like one too. bathandbodyworks.com. And finally, let's talk about home fragrance because, of course, smells can really affect your mood. So a bad smell can put you in a funk, but a good smell at home can just give you that moment of zen. And Febreze just launched this new plug. It eliminates those bad odors. It also ensures that your home smells great. And they are calling it the Febreze Fade Defy plug because it does not fade. So if you put it on low, it is actually programmed to keep that first day fresh scent for 50 days. I also love that it is a great bargain buy. The starter kit is just $5. You can get it at Target, Walmart, and nationwide retailers. And with that, I hope that you have a great summer.
Well, thanks so much for spending some time with us today on Let's Talk DC. I want to thank Cut at Wolfgang Puck here at the Rosewood Hotel, Chef Andrew Scala, who's the executive chef here, the one and only legendary Wolfgang Puck for joining us today. Such a pleasure. I don't think I've ever tasted Wiener Schnitzel. This is amazing.
It's so good. You know, it's so simple, it's so good. It became a bestseller like at Spargo in Beverly Hills. I put it on the menu as a joke almost. I said, I'm going to do some of my childhood favorites. Now I take it off the menu people come to me and say, I don't care if it's on the menu, I want it, you know.
It's not a joke. It's really good, and you can get it right here at Cut. And how can people find you guys?
Yeah, come down and follow us at Cut DC. We're down here in Georgetown. Just stop on by.
And open at full capacity, so come support our local restaurants and enjoy some great food. We'll see you next time on Let's Talk DC. I'm Kiddo Shea from all of us at the show. Thanks so much for watching.
Reminds me of my childhood, totally.